The next step in the design process is to ideate, or really look at brainstorming. What you can see here is the first thing that I did was I wanted to actually take a look at some of the things that I had previously actually had some experience with. And this is the home that we built at our school. What you can see is we actually built this home so that it could actually be set up and put onto a truck and basically dropped right in place. So there was already an existing frame here that we placed it onto, and each piece was built in modular sections, and it allowed this thing to go together very quickly, basically in one day. Another similar design that we're actually working on this year is this design here, which might at first glance look like traditional construction, but in actuality all these walls are built in 4-foot sections, and then we basically just place them. And you can see here we can then split that design up, and the house can completely come apart and basically be delivered in small pieces. The advantage to that is that it allows us to actually send one wall at a time versus trying to load an entire piece on a trailer. In addition to that, I threw together a bunch of sketches, and this came from some ideas of my own, as well as looking online and just kind of digging into lots of possibilities and trying to throw out as many possible concepts so that I had a lot to draw from when I actually started putting together this design. The important thing here, I think, is to make sure that you don't limit yourself right away. Look at all the crazy concepts out there and just really try to think outside the box with lots and lots of different ideas, and then as you work through the design process you can start to hone in on a single solution.